Respect is not a gift, it is a mirror. If you walk around feeling disrespected, feeling like people look down on you, or feeling like your opinion doesn't matter, I have some bad news for you. It is not their fault, it is yours. You are teaching them to disrespect you. Every single minute of every single day, you are broadcasting signals that tell the world exactly what you are worth. And right now, your signals are saying, I am cheap, I am weak, please don't hurt me. People treat you exactly the way you treat yourself. If you treat yourself like a discount item, don't expect them to pay full price. Today we are going to fix your internal price tag. I am going to show you the subtle, invisible habits that are destroying your status and give you a 5-minute fix to reset the way the world sees you. The first reason they don't respect you is the apology reflex. Listen to yourself for one day. Count how many times you say the word sorry. You apologize for things that aren't your fault. You apologize for walking past someone. You apologize for asking a question. You apologize for existing. Sorry to bother you. Sorry, can I just say? Stop it immediately. When you apologize without a crime, you are submitting. You are lowering your head. Replace apologies with gratitude. Instead of saying, sorry for being late, say, thank you for waiting. Instead of saying, sorry to bother you, say, I need a moment of your time. Do you hear the difference? The first one sounds like a child asking for permission. The second one sounds like an adult taking charge. The moment you stop apologizing for taking up space, people will start giving you more of it. The second reason is your physical shrinking. Look at how you are sitting right now. Are your legs crossed tight? Are your shoulders hunched forward? Are your hands tucked between your knees? You are trying to make yourself smaller. Biologically, this is a prey response. You are trying to hide. High-status primates and high-status humans expand. They take up space. They open their chest. They are comfortable being seen. Here is the 5-minute fix. Before you walk into any room, perform the Doorframe Drill. Imagine you are giants. Imagine you have to duck slightly to get in. Pull your shoulders back until you feel your chest open up. Lift your chin 1 inch higher than feels natural. When you enter a room with this posture, your brain produces more testosterone and lowers cortisol. You will literally feel different, and people will subconsciously move out of your way. The third reason is Upspeak. This is a virus in your vocal cords. Upspeak is when you end a statement like it is a question. You say, my name is John. I think we should go left. It sounds unsure. It sounds like you are begging for validation. Is this okay? Do you agree? A leader speaks in statements. A leader speaks with a downward inflection. My name is John. Boom, period. We are going left. Boom, period. Practice this. Record your voice. If you hear yourself going up at the end of sentences, force yourself to drop the tone. A downward inflection signals finality. It signals that you are not asking for an opinion, you are stating a fact. The fourth reason is the people pleaser smile. Do you smile when you are nervous? Do you smile when someone insults you, just to diffuse the tension? This is the smile of submission. It is a biological grimace of fear. Stop walking around with a permanent grin plastered on your face. It makes you look naive. Save your smiles for things that are actually funny, or for people you genuinely love. When you are neutral, keep your face neutral. A neutral face is intimidating because it is unreadable. It forces people to work harder to impress you. The fifth reason is that you tolerate disrespect. This is the most important one. You teach people how to treat you by what you tolerate. If someone interrupts you and you say nothing, you just taught them it is okay to interrupt you. If someone is late and you say, it's okay, you just taught them your time is worthless. You don't need to start a fight. You just need to correct the behavior. A simple, please let me finish, or I don't like that joke, is enough. The first time you set a boundary, they will be shocked. They might even get defensive. But the next day, they will respect you. Here is your homework. For the next 24 hours, act like a king or a queen visiting a foreign land. You are polite, but you are not desperate. You take up space. You speak slowly. You do not apologize for your presence. You will feel uncomfortable. You will feel like an imposter. That is normal. Keep doing it. Fake it until you become it. The world will adjust to the standard you set. Raise your standard, and the respect will follow. If you are ready to stop being a background character in your own movie, hit subscribe. The script changes today, but only if you make it change.